Okay, hi. So my name is Kashyap, and I'm just going to go over the first couple questions of Project Euler in Python. So first we'll look at the question. If we list all the natural numbers below 10 that are multiples of 3 or 5, we get 3, 5, 6, and 9. The sum is 23. Find the sum of the multiples of 3 and 5 below 1000. So first we'll start off with the sum equal to 0, because we want to just have a default sum. So we'll do for I in range of 3 to 1000, incrementing by 3. So we will then do the sum is equal to the sum plus I, which will then add up if there is anything in the multiple of 3. So next we want to do it for 5. So for I in range of 5 to 1000, incrementing by 5. We want to also make sure that it doesn't overlap with what we've already taken from 3. So if we do the I with the module of 3 is not equal to 0, this way it will check if it's not already taken. We will do the sum is equal to the sum plus I again. And then we will want to print the sum. So if we run this, we will get that the sum is equal to 233,168, which is what we have here also. So that works. So the next question that I'm going to do is the second question. So it's just the Fibonacci sequence, and by considering the terms in the Fibonacci sequence whose values not exceed 4 million, find the sum of the even value terms. So we will do that now. So we'll start off with what we know. So the starting number is equal to 1. The second number is equal to 2. We'll do previous is equal to 3, and next is equal to 5. So we want to have the even sums, and since we already hard-coded some of them, we'll do even sum equals 2. And we'll create a temp value which is equal to 0. So next we do for I in range of 0 to 28, because there's 28 iterations in this. Oops, 0 to 28. So next we want to first set the temp equal to what the next value is, so that we can go over it, and I'll go over this after. So then we do next is equal to the previous plus next, and then we do previous is equal to temp. Next we want to check if it is an even number, so we do next modulo 2 equals 0 to check if it is. If it is, then we do even sum equals even sum plus next. And then we want to print out what we have for even sum. So let me just make sure this is working. Oh, so I just spelled it wrong. Even sum. So I'll run it again. Okay, so this is the answer we get, and it matches. So I'll just quickly go over what we did here in the for statement. So we did for temp is equal to next. So next we defined as 5. So temp is now equal to 5. So then we do next equals previous plus next, which is 3 plus 5. So we get the next number in the sequence, which is 8. And we have temp, which is equal to 5. So we do previous equals temp, which then puts the previous as 5 and the next is 8. And then we continue that again, which is then will take us to temp is equal to 8. Next is equal to 8 plus 5, which gives us 13, and then it puts the previous in the temp. So this is just a quick solution of how to solve the first few problems in Project Euler. Thanks.